Become a Hotels.com affiliate, travel affiliate program. How to become a Hotels.com affiliate. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video, I'll show you how to start earning commissions promoting hotels online. If you want to start right now, use the verified and safe registration link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the sign up page. Hotels.com is one of the most popular hotel booking platforms, offering thousands of hotels, resorts, apartments, and vacation stays around the world. The easiest way to become a Hotels.com affiliate is through the Travel Payouts affiliate network. Again, if you want to create your account, use the verified and safe link in the description and pinned comment to register. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliadues.com, where I explain how these programs work. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Hotels.com affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you'll receive your affiliate links to promote hotels and travel accommodations. Every time someone books a hotel using your affiliate link, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting travel offers and earning commissions online, click the verified and safe registration link in the description and pinned comment and create your affiliate account.